Question number 14. Part A. Factorise this expression. Both of these terms have a factor of x, therefore we can take an x outside the brackets. What do we multiply x by to turn it into x squared? We times it by x. What do we multiply x by to turn it into 7x? We multiply it by 7. Part B. Difference between this quadratic expression and this quadratic expression is that this one has 3 terms. This is going to have to go into a pair of brackets. Here's going to have a y in. Think about expanding this, multiplying everything out. The y times the y is where the y squared is going to come from. The numbers on the end are the numbers that multiply together to give 16 and also add together to give minus 10. If you need to list all of the possibilities that it could be, and it could also be negative values as well, negative 16 and negative 1. Negative 8 times negative 2 would give positive 16. If you need to list them all and just go through and do it by process of trial and error, that's fine. But with a bit of practice you'll be able to identify quite quickly that it's those two there. Minus 8 times minus 2 is positive 16. Minus 8 plus minus 2 is minus 10. Therefore, that's your final answer. Part C. Same idea, we've got a 3-term quadratic, therefore we're going to need a pair of brackets. This one's a little bit more difficult because you've got a number in front of the squared term, unlike this one up here. Could be worse. If it was a 4 or a 6, then if it was 4 you could have had a t or a 4t, or it could have been a 2t and a 2t. Because this is 2t squared, there's only one option. One of them has to be 2t, the other one has to be one lot of t. And then again, what numbers multiply together to give 2? Well, it could be 2 and 1. That's it. In terms of which one goes where, I would recommend, unless you can see it, just trial and error, put them in and see if it works. Put that one there and that one there, because everything up here is positive. 2 pluses in. Now let's expand it and see what we get. 2t times by t is t squared. 1 times by 2, we know that works to give us the 2. 2t times 2 is 4t, and 1 times t is t, and when we collect those two together we get the 5t. Therefore that's the correct answer. Finally, t is a positive whole number. The expression that we've just factorised can never have a value that is a prime number. Explain why. Well, if t is a positive whole number, then it means this is a positive whole number, and it also means that this is a positive whole number. And in this expression here, you can see that we are multiplying together two positive whole numbers. Therefore, this cannot be a prime number, because a prime number doesn't have two positive whole numbers which will multiply together to give it.